In this video, I'm going to show you how you can plan 1 week of content in less than 15 minutes. First of all, you need to go to your post schedule on the left here. If you can see my post schedule here, I have 3 slots for the coming weeks. The first one is today, the second one is tomorrow, the other one is on Saturday. I have no posts yet in my post schedule, so I really need to go with it. If I want to edit my post schedule, I can click on Action here, Edit Post Schedule, and I'll access the slots I decided to go for. The first one is on Thursday at 8 a.m., the second on Wednesdays at 1 p.m., and the third one on Saturdays at 6 p.m. So it's 3 posts per week. If you want to go with 1 or 2 because you think it's easier for you, it's fine. You can go also with 4, 5, 6. It really depends on what you can manage. And if you don't know when to post, you can access these charts to know, depending on your time zone, when it's best to post. That's how I came up with this schedule in my head. Now, let's go with the content. What I can do is clicking on this first slot, and it will open the composer. There I have several choices. Either I have something ready, an idea I can go from. I can start from my draft, if I have drafts ready to go, or I can use the AI to help me find ideas. I'm going to go with this one. Strong ideas, okay, 3 mistakes. I like this one, the first one, so let's go with it. And in basically 15 seconds, I have this post ready to be built. I like it. It's maybe a bit too long and a bit too formal, so I'm going to make it more casual. Okay. Really like it, so let's see how it works. Nice. I can make it shorter maybe. Okay, so I'm good. This one is perfect. I like it. It's small, short, catchy, super cool. What I can do is also add emojis maybe if I want to have some put in it. Okay, I like that. I can of course modify the content. I can format the post as well. If I want to have this part be bold, for example, I can just select it, click on the T here, and it's gonna make it bold. I can add images. I can add emojis, of course, by myself. I can use these AI actions to craft the post. And before I schedule it, I need to check that the hook is nice. Most startups stumble because they mess up progress query. Okay, I like it. Here are top mistakes I see. I like the cut because here are top mistakes I see. I need to click on more to see what's happening. So I really like it. So it's good for me to go. And as you can see, it took me like less than 3 minutes to have this post up and ready. If I need to add an image, if I need to add a carousel, it could take maybe a bit more time for the other ones, but 3 minutes times 3 is 9 minutes. So I guess that it's not even less than 15 minutes. It's even less than 10 minutes. So that's basically how you do. If you want also to have a view by month, you can click there and you'd have a view on every days you need to post. And you can even go with the next month's post plans and schedule so that you're good to go for the next month. And that's how you plan your content for the next week in less than 10 minutes in the end.